I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you like car repair videos, or you like the idea of following me through my journey of my Citroen ZX project rebuild, please consider subscribing because it helps the channel grow immensely. And today's video, what are we up to today? Well, I haven't actually got the blue ZX. Today's Wednesday. UK weather at the moment is absolutely shockingly bleh. And the car went in for it to be welded on Monday. I should be able to get that back hopefully if he's finished by the weekend. So fingers crossed on that one. So before I bore you all to death with my talking, let's just say, how about I show you what my plans are. And today's literally just going to be a little teaser video and showing you what I'm going to get up to when the weather picks up a little bit, really, because I'm working on a driveway and it's not that nice when it's pissing down and rain. So I'll show you guys what I'm up to. So as you guys can see on the driveway, I have swept the driveway, and I've actually got a rare sight of where my little Berlingo van can now actually be on the driveway rather than across it. So the reason I'm showing you this, guys, is because that there at the top on the roof, also known as an Ariel, is an ornament. On there, it's just an ornament. It doesn't do anything other than just sit there and stop rain from getting inside. So the intention is to pull that off and replace it. We also have, and you may have noticed this in the previous videos while I've been working on the blue ZX, Jeep Cherokee. 4-litre petrol, LPG conversion, probably a beast. There's a couple of things wrong with it, one of which is the window. Now you can see just there, I can put my finger through, window there, panel there, hole there. That's why the bag's on there. So let's just say the weather's not doing any wonders with that bag, so we're gonna do a window regulator on there. I think I'll show you guys how to do that. And when I say it's got a few other problems, it needs boot struts. At the moment it's my shed, and it also needs a steering box. Finances don't allow me to current finances don't allow me to be able to afford a steering box just yet, but hopefully won't be too long. So I'll take you back indoors and I'll show you the bits. So regarding the Berlingo, it does have what I would say is just a normal FM AM car Ariel, not powered in any way or amplified, but it doesn't work. So I've had this one for a while, and to be fair, there's been like 2 or 3 vehicles that it was going to go on to, and they never quite made it. And part of the reason why it never quite made it is because I never had the time, and I actually didn't have the tools. Because what you've got here on the end of this wire is you've got your normal Ariel DIN plug, you've got your DAB plug, and then you've got switch power supply. I'll just connect. What I'll do is I'll connect that to the blue wire at the back of the radio, so when the radio comes on, that'll get a power feed from the radio. Then I've got my DAB, and that is a removable Ariel as well. You just literally unscrew it like so, and then you can still go through car washes and stuff. But when I say I haven't had the tools, that there is, I believe, about a 14 or 15 millimeter hole, whereas standard car Ariels are normally only about a 10 millimeter hole. So the actual van roof will need to be drilled. That is where has it gone? Hiding up here. That is where my step drill will come into play, and we'll drill that out. So now we go on to this little package, and I have already cut it open because my blade is rubbish and it's really sort of quite well packaged, so hopefully we can just slide this straight out, he says. You know what, I'll get it out and then I'll show you. So here we are, guys, one window regulator. Let's just take that one out as well. So this will be the bit that attaches to the window, this big plastic bit, I would say. We've got the wires, we've got the motor, the 2-pin prong. I haven't actually looked at the car to see if it's going to be the right plug or not, but as long as it bolts up, we'll get it working somehow. This come from a company called Central Panels. I'm not endorsed or anything by them. I just thought I'd show you guys. The reason I show you them though is because literally 2 months ago I toyed with the idea of buying a window regulator for that Jeep Cherokee, and 1 minute, I'll tell you this bit in a minute actually, but yeah, that's where I got it from. centralpanels.co.uk, returns not accepted if label removed. And they also gave me this little card which on the back they've handwritten saying please make sure I am well greased, thanks. But that's fine because we have some well, we've got plenty of grease on there anyway. They've put loads of grease on it anyway, so that's that. So guys, while I said, oh, I'll tell you that bit in a minute, the reason I said that is because I thought, you know what, I'll talk to you face to face. A couple of months ago, I was looking at buying a window regulator for the Jeep Cherokee, and to be perfectly fair, I can't afford to spend any money on that at the moment because I'm wanting to really be more focused on working on the blue ZX. But like you could see, the bin bag's not holding up for long, not going to hold up for much longer at all. I've had to put more tape on just to stop water getting in the car, and it's got leather interior in there. I don't want to get it ruined, so I've thought, you know what, I'll have a look at how much it's going to cost me for a window regulator. 2 months ago, them regulators were £80 brand new. The cheapest I could find second hand was £40 on eBay. I was looking 3 days ago, because that's literally just arrived today, looking 3 days ago, and I found that company on eBay, and that is a brand new window regulator for £23.99. It was so cheap compared to 2 months ago that I couldn't not buy it. So that's why I've got it. But then at the same time, I will be doing a video as soon as I can in regards to fitting a window regulator to a Jeep Cherokee. So hope you guys look forward to that. But for now guys, I am waiting for the blue ZX to come back, and then obviously we'll be doing some more work on that. And like I said a little while ago in the video, we've also got an Ariel to fit to the little Berlingo van because I've got no radio, so I want it to work. So yeah, I will say bid you farewell for now. If you like my content, give us a thumbs up. Car content will resume as soon as possible. And if you want to be notified of all the videos of what I get up to, please subscribe, as it helps contribute to the channel and helps me grow. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so you can be notified of all my up and coming videos. If you want to also know what I get up to on a daily basis before YouTube gets to find out, you can follow me on Instagram. And on Instagram I am the ZX guy as well, same as the YouTube name. So like I said, take care guys, stay safe, bye, see you in the next video, bye.